strength before the day is born. From the river edge to the city's new height, Warsaw is glowing in the morning light. Can you feel the pulse? The energy is deep. A city that dreams while the shadows still sleep. This is the place, the light of our home. Through these wide streets where the histories roam. Amazing souls, a spirit so grand. A great place to live, to take a stand. The city is breathing golden and bright. The bridge is forming, connecting the past. A beauty that's built, a rhythm to last. Open hearts welcome with kindness that's true. This is the life that we're starting anew. Rising higher, looking over the wall. The heart of the city, hearing the call. Warsaw, the city where we belong.